Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a price-based airdrop on Streamflow. Price-based airdrops allow projects to create airdrops that dynamically adjust token unlocks based on a target price. Once you're logged into the Streamflow application, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Airdrops. Once the page loads, click Create New in the top right corner. Now you'll have to choose the type of airdrop you want to create. Select Price-Based Airdrop and click Continue. In the recipient step, you'll need to provide the list of wallets that will receive the tokens. Upload a CSV file to add up to 100,000 recipients at once. Make sure your file follows the required format, recipient address, amount. You can also download a CSV template directly from the interface to ensure your data is formatted correctly. Once your file is ready, upload your CSV and click Continue. In the configuration step, you'll set up the specific vesting schedule and preferences for your distribution. First, give your airdrop a public title and choose the token you wish to distribute from the drop-down menu. In the distribution section, verify the total recipients and the total amount of tokens defined in your CSV. Next, set the start date. You can choose to have the vesting period begin immediately upon contract creation or schedule a specific date and time. For target token price, enter the specific price in USDC that the token must reach to trigger the distribution. Duration at target price is the length of time the token must maintain the target price for the unlock to be completed. Maximum duration defines the final deadline. Even if the target price isn't met, all tokens will be fully unlocked by the end of this period. For unlock interval, choose how frequently tokens are released. For example, daily, weekly, or monthly. You can toggle cliff amount on to set a specific percentage or amount of tokens that unlock immediately at the start. Finally, set your preferences. If claim once is enabled, recipients can only claim their tokens once. Remaining tokens can't be claimed later. Cancelable airdrop option allows you, as the creator, to cancel the airdrop and claw back unvested tokens. After configuring your price settings, click Continue. On the review page, you'll be able to see all the contract details you selected in the previous steps. Once you've reviewed all the details, click Create Airdrop in the bottom right corner. Your wallet will open and prompt you to confirm the transaction. After confirming, you'll be taken to the airdrop details page. From there, you can monitor the airdrop status, track how many recipients have claimed their tokens, or share the link with your community so they can start claiming. And that's it on how you can create a price-based airdrop on Streamflow. Thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next one.